Go ahead. Who?
She.
Oh. Come on, Sarah. You're picking up, leave Sarah off the floor. Why are you bringing garbage in? Take that out of your pocket.
I want to show you something.
You want to show me something?
What nature? What nature?
Nature?
What nature?
Sarah? Why are you bringing all of that junk in the house, Sarah?
Grass.
What in the world?
Look.
Sarah.
Mommy, gotta wash it off.
Sarah. What is all of this, Sarah?
I gotta wash it off. Well, she got this from outside recess.
Let me see.
Outside recess.
Sarah.
No, we make a sand castle. Sarah will bring us home to have some
Oh, stop talking like that.
some of the snails can eat
Look
this,
at this.
and nature can eat this. So
Sarah, let's go. I don't care. I don't know why you bringing all of this stuff in the house. Let's go. Let's go. Look at this.
Nature says to do that right.
Look at this. Sarah. Sarah.
Thank you so
Who
much.
told you to bring all of that stuff here? Now you get all of this grass and stuff and put it in the garbage.
Wait, mommy. What this? What is this?
Let me see. Open your hands so let me see.
Oh my gosh.
I can't see. Open your hands. Put it up.
I'm trying.
One is under there.
Mommy, what is?
That's a rock.
Why? Why this white?
I
What?
don't know why it's white. You tell me.
Because that's the sand. The sand was in it. The sand. Oh, what?
Why is this black, Sarah?
I don't know. Maybe. Open it, mommy. Open it now.
All right, let's go.
Okay, open it. Mommy, I think this is the white one. I think this is the white one.
It's the white rock.
Huh?
Okay. Can you get that and put that in the
I
garbage, please?
can't open it.
Sarah, you better not put that stuff in my plants.
Well, mommy, what plant?
Excuse me. That's wild grass, Sarah. And if you put it in my plants, then wild grass is going to grow into my plants.
No.
Okay? So thank you.
Mommy.
Wait.
Mommy, what nature?
I ain't care but no nature. I ain't care but nothing, Sarah. Don't bring that
Mama,
wild
guess
stuff.
what? There was a snail, and that man brought the snail in the class, and that snail tried to bite me, but he said the snails doesn't bite. And when I said when he put the snail on my back, I was screaming at school. And that snake is trying to bite my back. And I was screaming.
Sarah, I do not know what this is.
That's
like.
nature.
That look like poop.
No, that's a pet nature.
No, here.
Mama, that's a pet nature.
Yeah, I got your pet nature, all right.
Kill it. This nature's real. Oh,
Sarah.
that's real.